Hello, I've just done a look for a bronzed summer bride, and now I'm going to show you how to get natural looking beach waves to go with that summer bronzy bride look as well. I washed my hair yesterday, so it's not freshly washed, which is what you want. I'm just going to comb through it now. The only thing that I have in it at the moment is leave-in conditioner. It's a UV protectant one. I've got my curling tongs, which is a Wigo. It's quite a large barrel. I've got my Silk Therapy by KMS, which is a sort of beach brand anyway in California. I love this brand. And I got my L-Net, which works brilliant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section the hair. I'm going to put half the hair up and start to curl around. Okay, taking the curling tongs, I'm going to section the hair and I'm going to twist. The reason why I'm using a big barrel is that it'll give sort of looser curl. You can use a smaller barrel as well and just sort of brush out the hair. Both work, so don't go and buy a new barrel just to get this look. And there you go, you've got a really nice little curl there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray that straight away and then come back to that. Do the next section. Like that. And again, I'm going to spray that. This L-Net that I'm using is the flexible hold one. I don't want anything too strong. And once you do this look, this should last you a couple days as well. Obviously, unless you wash your hair, but and again, make sure you spray. Release another portion of your hair. That was a really nice curl right there. That one went a little bit funny. I'm going to do that one again. There we go. Alright, and then the top part. I'm going to go for my hair being parted in the middle. I don't do it very often, but it's something I'm trying to get used to doing since I've been growing my fringe out. I'm going to start with the back ones this time. if you're not used to using curling tongs, this can take a little bit of time getting used to it. See, even myself, I know how to use them and I'm struggling. That's a nice one. And then I'm going to curl back my fringe. Try it one more time. Like that. And do this one as well. I've got a bit of a long bit there. I'll try and get that out first. So that'll make it difficult to curl the fringe. Then I'm just going to run my fingers through the hair, spray it one last time. Pin your fringe back if you like. I'm going to, because then I'm going to add a little hair piece. I'm going to twist this a little bit. And do the same on this side. Once that's done, for a bit of fun, I've got this broken necklace that I've had for quite a long time, and I've been dying to use it for some reason. I just hit my nose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to pin it into my hair. I'm going to place the big bit, the ball right there in the middle, and I'm going to hold it in place with a hair grip. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Luckily it has these little holes in it where the necklace used to be attached, which is a perfect place for me to stick the hair grips through. Just right there, if you can see it. And then where you pin the fringe, you can take that out now. And I'm going to put it through there instead. I'm going to take this out. It's a little bit fiddly, but if you just play around, you'll be able to get it. And just make sure it's secure. Don't worry about having to move things around a bit. And there you go. You got a nice beach wave.